Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can create a PayPal account without credit card. So if you want to do that, stay until the end because I will show you all the steps that you need to do to create it. But believe me guys, it's super simple. Alright, so the first step what you need to do here is to press on a sign up button that is on a top right corner, and then you need to select for what use you will be basically having PayPal account. So for your personal use or business account, select whatever you want. So for this example it will be personal account, and then as you can see here you need to put an email address, phone number, your first last name and your password. So I will be back once I basically fill all the details. All right, and then guys you will be redirected to another page where you need to basically select your nationality. You need to put your address, your postcode, your city and your date of birth, and then you need to confirm that you have read user agreement and privacy policy. Right, so I will be back when I fill out all the information here. Alright, so once you do that you need to confirm that and agree and create account, as you can see here. And let me wait for a bit. As you can see here, your account is created, and then what you need to do here next, but guys keep in mind that is really important here, you need to press this one, not sure, add card to use later. All right, so guys as you can see here, then you will see this window, but what you need to do here on your hyperlink, what you can do here is just go again on paypal.com. you can see here, and basically that's how you can create an account without your credit card, right? But also if you want to, you can, as you can see here, you can later link your bank, and you can also basically link your credit card or debit card here if you want to. All right, so if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.